So this is the SenseRobot Chess, which is the world's first home chess playing robot. So it has an arm which allows you obviously to play the chess with you, and it has the camera right here which is actually checking the board of the chessboard. And it is pretty cool device because it does allow you to kind of work it out with, you know, a lot of different levels and even learn how to play if you don't know how. This AI robot plays with you, it teaches you and also speaks with you. So I can see that, you know, like it teaches you the moves and you can also set the sound. Boom. So the cool thing is about this device, it's very interactive. It's like, it allows you to play it in a very natural way and you have many different modes to kind of choose from. And the size of it is like a proper chessboard. I can feel definitely that the pieces are kind of magnetic. So I assume that, you know, there will be a little bit of magnetic which helps the hands to pick it up, but you can also see different moves. So we're gonna go quickly to the...
I look forward to playing chess together again next time.
So as you can see, you have many different modes like Challenge AI, you can have some end game challenges, classic game, you can go straight into learning mode, which will give you a course of the chess and some practices, and you can even choose the custom setup game or Apex Duel or some Planet Alliance. So this is a cool one. So for example, you know, I'm gonna set Planet Alliance, Lichess. So with the Challenge AI, you have many different options from basic, beginner, intermediate, advanced and master to a Grandmaster. It has 25 courses from what I can see and over 1200 interactive exercises, which is pretty nice one, you know. So 100 classic games which you can play kind of around. And obviously, because it's connected to power, you can just play with it all the time. And I saw that it also has the app which you can connect to. Honestly, that 3D pieces recognition, it's a pretty cool idea. So the cool thing is that within their app, you have the option to kind of go through the, you know, Challenge AI. You can see what's your win rate, like how many games you actually played. You can go into the beginner courses and courses directly through here, which is pretty cool. And you can see kind of the whole account through this one. I like it. And you can see your last game data, the Apex Duel, like literally everything. And I think that's just, this is just so cool. It's definitely a device which, you know, if you like chess, if you like to learn how to play chess, it's definitely a cool companion. So I think this is my second robot in the house, which yeah, I'm very much enjoying. And I'm actually enjoying playing the game of chess with it because it has a totally different experience than playing like online just on a monitor. Especially that you feel like you're playing with, you know, something that actually is teaching you as well how to play that. So on the price point of that, I checked the cost like $999, which is a pretty steep, but at the same time, well, it is a robot. It is a robot which is connected to AI with the camera and the robotic hands. So it does make sense that, you know, it will be a bit more expensive. But I do like it. I do like how it is performing. Like it can, you know, set up the chessboard for you. So for example, if you're starting the game and, you know, you don't have time, for example, to just set up the board, it can do that obviously for you, you know. So I can just press it on.
Challenge AI, level 1. If you're in a hurry, you can join in and help too.
And now it will just set up the board, like I don't have to do it, like I can just go make myself a coffee and you know, the robot will do it for me. I think that's a very cool device in general. What do you think? Yay or nay? I like it. I very much like it. Thank you so much, SenseRobot, for sending this to us. Like I think the SenseRobot Chess, it's something which is a very cool thing, especially for someone who loves chess. And remember, if you like it, like and follow for more tech reviews and stuff like this. And definitely check out my other video which talks about some other robotic things.
MadTechTalk, tech so fly, breaking down gear, let's amplify. Sub like, don't miss a thing. Tech reviews with a little bling. We out for now, but stay tuned. More fire tech is dropping soon.